Let's take a look at agent shift trades. So we're going to start with our agent Alex here. Alex logs into the Zoom portal and then goes down to launch Workforce Management. Within Workforce Management, Alex will start by seeing their schedule for the day and the week. Up here in the top right-hand corner, we see we're viewing the schedule of Alex. But let's go and look at some of our peers' schedules. So here let's look at, we're able to go look at Ashley's schedule and see we have a different schedule, breaks in different places. And let's say we want to go ahead and initiate a shift swap. So from this request menu here, we can request a schedule swap. We pick who we want to swap with on our team, which date we want to switch with, and we have our two different shifts and our different start and end time. And then we can hit request. This schedule swap request will get sent to our other agent to approve. So we see the pending swap request show up on our calendar. Now, if we pull up our other agent in question here, we see the other agent has a swap request show up, and we also see the pending swap request on the calendar here. So the receiving agent can click on that directly to accept. You can also go to the swap requests to see that there. So let's go ahead and click on it here on the schedule page, and we will hit accept. Now, from the agent perspective, that is done, and that will get sent off to the supervisor to approve. If the supervisor approves it, or if we have automated approvals set up and it meets the guidelines, the shift will get approved, automatically switched, and the agents will be notified.